Kaspa keeps on breaking its past records, and we're going to talk about that in today's video and many more things. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys. And today we are talking about Kaspa, one of my favorite coins, as you guys know. And we're going to talk about how they are breaking records, right? And you might be wondering to yourself, well, cool, is that really that important? It is, right? Because Kaspa is focused on speed. That is their whole thing. They want to be the fastest. And if you look at it in another way, right? If we look at Usain Bolt as a runner, he wanted to continuously get faster. Even if that was by 1 second in a race, 0.5 seconds in a race, he wanted to get faster. He wanted to improve. So if you're looking at Kaspa and you see that they are continuously building and getting faster, you should be getting excited, because that only means they are building strength and the project is becoming even stronger, right? So I don't know if this was a mistweet, like in terms of time, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. You'll see it. So on October 1st, they tweeted that they got 4,836 transactions per second, right? New all-time high. And then on October 2nd, they already beat it. Went from 4.836 to 5.584, right? So I don't know what new test they did or what changed between those 2 days, but it got significantly faster one day after another. And I was like, yo, what's happening right here now? Like, this is kind of crazy. So yeah, you're just seeing that they are continuously building and getting faster. It's what we want to see. Another thing that they released is how many public nodes they have, right? And if you look at the map, right, they don't show everything. Like, they don't show all of Canada and America and, all the right side. But just from this area here, there is still places that are missing that you can add nodes to, right? Sweden, Iceland, Egypt, all of these places, there's still plenty of room to add nodes. So just imagine when you're just going to start seeing green everywhere, right? Or turquoise, whatever you want to call Kaspa color, right? Turquoise, green, right? It's going to be even crazier, right? So let's look at coin market cap, and then we'll look at market structure, and I'll leave you guys to it, right? So last 7 days, they are up 3%. Volumes down very slightly. Same with market cap, very slightly. We are still waiting on that Binance listing. That has not changed. They keep on teasing us with it, but there's nothing 100% confirmed yet. When that confirmation does come out, you better believe I'm going to be making a video, because that's going to be a crazy bullish news, right? Community sentiment still at 89%, very, very bullish. You guys still believe, just as I do, in the project. Let's get it to 90%. It's going to look even better, right? So if we break down market structure, we still have this daily fair value gap that has not been broken, and you can see it is pretty low, right? And if you're wondering, are we going in a good momentum right now on the lower time frame? Absolutely we are. And why, you may ask? Well, we had this high, this high, this pretty much equal highs, right? And we were making a downtrend, right? And then what happened is price took out all of these highs. So all of these highs, all of these highs just got eliminated by price right here. So what we need to see, what would be really, really ideal, which it doesn't look like it's going to happen, but if we could close today, Friday, above this area, right, that would be fantastic. If we don't, that is okay, right? Because we still broke structure. We are in a bullish trend on the lower time frame. If you do look on the weekly time frame, we are still looking bearish, but it's not looking as bad, right? You can see how much bearish momentum we had going, and now the bearish momentum is stopping. The candles are getting smaller and smaller. That means they are getting weaker, right? For the weekly, what you would want to see to start seeing bullishness is we would want to close above these highs, right? So in the future, when the short term starts getting more bullish, when we close above these highs, we will start getting into bullishness. And then obviously you have these and then followed by these, right? I mean, but once we get above these, then obviously we are going higher and higher, and then you're just in a very bullish trend, right? And I believe that's going to happen with Kaspa. I really do. I really, really do. So on the lower time frame, we are looking good. Very, very good. I wouldn't say worried, but I was like, I don't want to keep going down. I don't want to retest the fair value gap again, even though it is possible. What I will say on the daily though is this liquidity right here. It's a little bit sus, and all of this liquidity. So this is a possibility, right? Sweeping this, and then starting to go up. But we'll see. We will see how price reacts on the lower time frame. I will keep you guys updated with that. For anybody that's wondering, is it a good buying opportunity right now? I would say it is decent. If you want to really wait for premium, you could wait till it gets here, right? But there's no guarantee it's going to get there. So if you're looking at the return from here, let's just say to here, right? You get a 2x almost. If you go from here to here, it's a little bit stronger. Yeah, but you might not get there. So I would say it is still a good buying opportunity. If you want to buy right now, you could wait. It's all up to you. Make sure you guys do your own research, right? Not a financial advisor. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for the future. Kaspa is going to the moon. I really believe it. If you enjoy, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for 100 subs. And I'll see you guys in the next video.